Hey guys, what's up? I'm Siddharth and I'm here with a real news to share with. When I heard it, I was blown out to know about it. So guys, I want to share this with you. Now, do you know guys, now you can make your own live wallpaper, not still wallpaper, live wallpaper, and it won't be like the flower moving and the water running. You can make your own videos as a live wallpaper. Yes guys, now we can make live wallpaper of our own video. So guys, are you excited about it, how to make it? So guys, let's not do anything and let's see how to do that. I'm really excited about it. Can you see that energy in me? Yeah, I'm really excited about it. So if you're really excited, and I know you are excited, so before we start that, go and hit the subscribe button, hit the like icon for this video, and if you have any questions after this video, please drop that question in the comment box. And guys, if you want shout out, don't forget to comment that you want shout out for Instagram, for Musically, for YouTube, anything. So don't forget to comment that too. So guys, go hit the subscribe channel, hit the like icon, hit the bell icon, and drop your comments. Now let's start. Okay guys, let's start. So first of all, what you need to do is go to Musically. Okay, we are already here. So what you need to go, choose any video. First of all, you need to choose for the information, this is only for Android users right now, because iOS users hasn't got this feature added, but they will get this feature added very soon. So don't worry, iOS users, you will get this, and you can do this same thing in your iOS too. So you have to choose any video of your own. Okay, just need to choose your own video, like I'm gonna choose like this. Okay, now what you need to go is click this three icon. Okay, in some phones it is there, and in some phones it's in the top. So we are going to click there, and you can see here it's written live photo. Here you need to click this. After clicking this, it will ask you to install a plugin app, so you need to go and install now. So it will direct you to, for Android users, they will direct you to Google Play Store, and for iOS users it will direct you to your Apple Store. So install it. So let's install it. It's downloading. Okay, now it's downloaded, it's installing. So let's open it. I'm really excited about it guys. Now go set live photo. I tried these three, so this is showing. If you haven't tried any, it won't show anything. So I have tried these things, so it's now, as you can see, there is nothing. This isn't moving. So what you need to do is, this is already downloaded now. So what you need to go do is go to Musically again. Okay, just to back and choose any photo. Like I can choose this. Okay, I'm going to choose something like this. Okay, and what you need to go is now do live photo. It will show downloading now. What you need to go is install the live photo, go back and go to Musically again and choose any video and click the three icon, and it will say downloading. Now it's written here set wallpaper. Okay, now set wallpaper. As I click that mistakenly, so it's already set. Now as you can see, that video of mine is set to wallpaper guys. As you can see, this has been set to my wallpaper, and if I go to Musically again, it's even playing in my background. So guys, I tried this out. I found it really exciting, and I tried it 4 times, as you saw, 3 times before making this video, and once right now. So guys, try it. For Android users, you can try it right now. For iOS users, you have to wait little. I guess this hasn't been reached. This hasn't been added to iOS users, but I know that, I'm sure that iOS also will be getting, iPhone users also will be getting this feature, how to use this Musically live photo. And what is this Musically live photo? So guys, go try this, and don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the like button, hit the bell icon, and if you have any questions about this video, drop it in the comment box. Thanks guys, I was really excited to share this with you, and I shared it, and I'm really feeling relaxed right now. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.